system. It's a very sophisticated kind of a system that allow us to test drivers, test electronics and final products. It has the ability to actually measure the noise level of the room and deduct it from the actual measurement of the speakers that we're doing.
Thank you for definitely showing me that, Dave. I never knew that this is happening, and this is for every speaker, essentially.
Every speaker.
Every speaker.
We have five CNC machines here.
5.
This is where we build a lot of the parts.
The M6 baseplate, which I am actually able to hold here by myself with a little bit of difficulty. But this starts out as 3.5 inches thick.
Holy crap, man!
About a 450 pounds block of aluminum that we need a crane to load into the machine.
In fact, you can see them here on the bottom. This is where it starts like.
Right. Wow. Oh, this is the aluminum piece.
Yep. You can see here. These are S sub enclosure being checked. These are M9 carbon enclosure being checked.
Wow.